What's up, guys? This is my bike check. My first one. Been building this bike for a while. Alright, here we go. We got Adam Banton grips. Can't really see them, but kink bar ends. Sunday bars that I painted. Shadow Conspiracy stem that I painted. Ocean blue Sunday Funday frame. Odyssey dirt forks. My new front hub, female axle, G Sport marmoset. It's a old We the People salt rim, Odyssey Aiken tire. Odyssey seat, random seat post I had that I painted, Odyssey chrome seat post clamp, shadow bottom bracket that I sanded down to raw. Then I have Redline device cranks that I painted. Now they kind of look like a cow print. Shadow Conspiracy sprocket that I painted. Fly Reuben pedals, probably the best pedals I've ever ridden for sure. Shadow Conspiracy chain. Back wheel. It's not a G Sport. Odyssey Hazard Light chrome rim, G Sport ratchet hub. Fire engine red hub guard over there. It's just a really sweet G Sport reflective sticker that I had. And oh yeah, kind of hard to see, but Odyssey pomegranate headset with some raw spacers in there. Soon to be Odyssey R25 forks and chrome hazard light for the front, and then chrome headset, and it's gonna be done. It's looking pretty good. Kind of hard to see, but it looks pretty sweet. That's my bike check.